few moments later.
There's Tesla being a little cocky right now. I think it's a Plaid too, but I mean, I'm still down. Let's see what the Z can do. XV gave me thumbs up saying that shit was fast. He still beat me, but this thing has a boost leak right now. And I know those cars, those Plaids make like 1,000 horsepower or something like that. Not bad, bro. This shit only makes 700. And you can't be electric cars, bro. Those things just smack you in the face right away. There's no lag for nothing. The other day, I was driving next to like a barrier. You guys know that if you're giving a gas next to a barrier, you can literally hear a leak if you have one. And I heard it. And yeah, sure enough, I'm only hitting like 17 pounds or 16 pounds. And I'm tuned on 21, I think, or 20. So I do have a little boost leak. So when he pulled up on me, I was like, bro, it's a Plaid. I'm gonna get so fucked up right now. Maybe if my car was at the 700 mark, how we tuned it, maybe I'll give him a little better battle. But I was like, you know what, I'll still do it regardless. And I mean, you guys saw it. He didn't pull on me too bad. Honestly, I didn't even get to hit fourth. I wanted to hit fourth because that's like my strongest gear, but there was no, like I said, there was no space. And the road that we were on for like the next 5 miles, I want to say, is like kind of windy and curvy. So I ain't trying to race on that in this car. I'm straight. But anyways, like I said, I was planning to do a POV drive in this car for you guys before I left to Mexico, which, like I said, I'll leave tonight or tomorrow in the morning. So I'll pick this thing up a little bit. I'm going to go inside, freshen up, and go get a haircut and all that. So I'll be sure to bring you guys along with me. So, all right, guys. So like I said, I am going on vacation tomorrow. So today's going to be mine and my girlfriend's like Christmas gift exchange thing. I have her gift right there. So she used to actually play a lot of video games back then, like the PS4 and whatnot. For those of you guys that follow me on Instagram, you guys might remember that I bought a PS5 like 2 months ago. I offered to buy her one at the same time, but she said no. She's kind of over that. Long story short, since I got it, she's been playing it a lot too, so I thought perfect Christmas gift was going to be a PS5. So I have that here. Let's go ahead and load it up in the back of the Z because I'm driving this car all day today, since I will be driving it for like 2 weeks. Dude, I cannot pick this up while holding this. How am I gonna do this? Shout out to the shocks that don't work. I guess I'll go get the shock thing inside, but that's doing too much. This thing don't tip over, because it was kind of hard to wrap it like this. Good enough. It's a little dirty back here, but it's all right. I was gonna take the cue for this reason, but I just won't drive too crazy on the way to your house. Dude, I can't do this. Ah. I'm literally holding the patch with my head, bro. Ugh. Alright. That should be good. Hope it doesn't tip over. Or you know what? Nah, that should be fine. Probably not. Alright. Let's boogie. The final drive in the Z of 2024. I'm only gonna be gone for like 10 days, but I'm not making a big deal about it. I was gonna be the basic YouTuber, the basic clickbait YouTuber. Last drive in the 350Z, I'm selling it. But nah, I'm trying to refrain from that. Even though I know those type of videos get a lot of views, get a lot of attention, I personally, when I watch like YouTubers and I see titles like that and I click on it and it's something like, and it's other like, and it's something complete, and it's like complete BS, it's kind of like annoying. So I'm gonna try my best for this 2025 to not clickbait any type of videos or ever again, really. I'd rather be a raw YouTuber that might choose, I guess, less attractive titles but better content. So I'm trying to do something this 2025, bro. But yeah, bro, this year was a great year. I'm not gonna lie. Like any other year, ups and downs, but honestly, but overall, I'm grateful to be here, be healthy, have the things that I have, and have the ambition that I have to grow even more. I hope this year was a great one for you guys. I hope you guys achieved everything you guys wanted, and if not, I hope this next year you guys do it. I'm not a big person on like New Year's resolutions, but I think we should all try to have some in mind and actually do them, not just say it. Sick ass fool. That fool just blew that red light. Wild then. Oh, that's a cop, bro. Oh, I hate this feeling. Oh, but it's a sheriff. I think I should be good. This fool usually goes to the jail. That fool straight mad dog, but he has somebody in the back. Oh, sick ass fool. 370. Let me go. What's up, bro? Crazy. One like and I do a fat flyby right now. It's so perfect too, bro. Should I risk it all for a click? Cars do it down together. I already got somebody in the back that can just add me right next to him. See those brakes? Yeah, they're cooked, son. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Yeah, I was gonna throw on the BBKs before I left to Mexico, but I didn't really care. I didn't really want the car to be down, even though it's probably like a day job. I just wanted to enjoy it. And honestly, I've been enjoying this car so much, bro. This is the most I've enjoyed this car. And shoot, I want to say since I boosted it, but it's been a damn long time since I've enjoyed this car this much. Very excited for what I have to come this 2025 with this car. I think when I get back from Mexico, I am going to rip off the wrap, this time actually for real, because I finally have a color in mind that is not red. And that thing is gonna look so sick, bro. I'm not gonna say too much, but it's just gonna look, it's gonna go crazy, bro. It's gonna go so good that I think I might even sell these TEs that I have in the front of this car for another set of TEs, a different color. Bro, it's gonna look so sick. So if anybody has TEs, has 19-inch TEs that they want to trade for these, preferably, actually I'm not even gonna say the color actually. You know what, I'm not even gonna, don't nobody hit me up. I'll look for them myself. I don't want to expose my next setup. If not, honestly, with these TEs, it'll still look good, but there's a different colorway of TEs that I feel like will look better with the color, but if not, these will do perfectly fine. Dude, I just can't wait. That color with the big brake calipers. I'm probably gonna sell these welds and get some B-locks as well. Oh my gosh, bro, that setup's gonna shit on all of my setups, I think. Except for this one. This one's actually pretty good. I will go back to red. I will go back to red after that color, but that color's gonna go crazy, bro. I feel like that's gonna be my 2025 look for all the shows, all the beats and whatnot. Oh, I can't wait, bro. I feel like I've been blabbering this whole like little POV drive or whatever. Should I give you guys a little second gear rip? Bro, this thing pulls nasty even for having a leak. Man, I love this car so much, bro. No other car will take this car spot ever. I could get a Huracan, bro, and it won't hit the same. A GTR won't hit the same. No car. That's why I could never sell this car. This car has seen me through all of my ups and downs, bro. This car has literally seen me grow. I'll never sell this thing. I don't think the camera's picking it up, but you can hear the leak. Yeah, I don't think the camera's gonna pick it up, but yeah, I can hear it in person. So would you mind telling the vlog how you like your gift?
No, I don't want it.
Why not? They already saw what I got you, by the way.
Super bad.
Why?
Because that's expensive.
Yeah, she's that type of girlfriend that doesn't like nothing that doesn't like nothing gifted
I
to her.
literally told him that if it was a PS5, that I didn't want it.
She's like that, but I remember one of my birthdays, she spent over 500 bucks on me. Make that make sense, bro. Alright guys, we made it back home. I know it wasn't much of a POV drive, but I hope you guys still enjoyed the video regardless. I hope you guys enjoyed me getting beat by a Plaid. I actually was texting the guy right now and I told him if he's down to leak up sometime next year when I turn up the boost again, get a rerun for the channel. He said yeah, so we'll definitely be seeing that in the near future. It's gonna be super sick.